Welcome to the King's How to Apply webinar. In this webinar, we're going to cover how to submit your application to a postgraduate program at King's College London. Before applying, we highly recommend that you read thoroughly the online prospectus of the program you wish to apply for, where you find plenty of information about the program, such as list of modules, tuition fees, and more. Under Entry Requirements, you can find information about the minimum requirements for the program and the documents you need to provide. Depending on the program you're applying for, the number of references or the list of documents you need to provide may change. In this section, you can also check the equivalency of your degree to the British classification system. Clicking in International Entry Requirements, you will find classification guidance by country. For example, if you have taken your bachelor's degree in Argentina, you will find guidance on what marks out of 10 are equivalent to a UK bachelor's honours degree with a first, 2-1 or 2-2. You can then check if you meet the minimum academic requirements for the program you're applying for. Clicking on English Entry Requirements, you can see a list of English language tests that King's accept in order to meet proficiency requirements. On the top right of the prospectus page, click on the Apply Now button to go to the King's Apply portal, or type apply.kcl.ac.uk into your browser. After you register, you can log in using your email address and password. Once you've logged in, click on New Application, type in the program name and select. Read thoroughly the information displayed to make sure you're applying to the correct program and that you're aware of any application's fees or other relevant information. Proceed to start filling your personal details, contact information, and so on. In the Education tab, make sure you add all the higher education qualifications and not only the most recent. As you type the name of your institution, a drop-down list will give you options to select from. If your institution is not listed, you can insert the full name manually. When you click in Expected or Obtain Result, a drop-down list will show some options, but you can also type in different results. For example, GPA 3.91. In this section, you can also upload the files relevant to each qualification. Select the document category, click on Upload a File button, and select the file you want to upload. Repeat the process for every document you need to provide. All applicants should provide a complete and official transcript and a degree certificate for each qualification. If you have not completed your studies, you should provide an official interim transcript or a confirmation of studies letter. If your documents are not in English, you will need to provide an official translation along with the original files. Once you finish uploading the documents, for this qualification, you can press Save and Add New if you need to add more qualifications. Under the Personal Statement tab, you can either fill in the box or attach a file with your personal statement. Check the online prospectus of your program for more information on personal statement requirements. Under the References section, you will fill in the contact details of your referees. Note that we do not accept references provided by the applicants themselves, nor do we accept references that have been sent from unofficial email addresses or a generic email provider such as Gmail, Yahoo, or 163.com. Ask your referees to provide you with their official work email address. Fill in the rest of the application, review all the documents you are providing, and tick the box acknowledging you agree with the terms and conditions to proceed to the payment of the application fee. The application fee can be paid by debit or credit card. After the confirmation of payment, you will be brought back to the initial homepage, listing the applications that have been or are to be submitted. Click on the name of the program you have applied for to track the progress of your application. Note on the top of your application your portal number. You will have to refer to this number in case you need to contact us by phone. The most effective way of contacting the admissions office is by using the message facility on your King's Apply account, which can be accessed in the View and Send Messages section. You can read any messages we have sent to you, as well as send us messages to inquire about the progress of your application or to provide new information or documents. Write your text, click Upload a file to attach a document to your application. If we require further information from you in order to assess your application, we will send you a message via your King's Apply account, and you will receive an email alert requesting that you check King's Apply. A complete application will normally take between 4 to 6 weeks to be processed, but this will be longer for our competitive programs and during busy periods. Good luck with your application. We hope to welcome you to King's very soon.